One of my users commented to make a video on how to strategize according to the number of GT corrects, because all of you are giving GTs, and according to the number of GT corrects, if I make a strategy, that will be a very much personalized strategy. So hello everyone, I am Dr. Mayuk Hajra, and what all I am going to say, it is based on facts and stats. So let's see the previous year stats, that is the NEET PG 2024 shift 1 number of corrects versus the rank, so that we can understand तुम कहाँ पे stand कर रहे हो at this point of time. So last year 165 correct 2000 rank, 160 correct 3000 rank, 150 correct 10,000 rank, 140 correct 22,000 rank, 130 correct 40,000 rank. This time also in the month of August is the exam. So more or less will be the same. थोड़ा सा बढ़ भी सकता है कट ऑफ, थोड़ा सा नंबर ऑफ करेक्ट बढ़ भी सकता है. But taking the last year NEET PG 2024 shift 1, which was more or less like the NEET PG standard of previous year, we are taking it as the benchmark. Now let's see at which position you are standing. You have to take average number of correct of last 3 GTs, not just one, last 3 GTs. If you are in less than 100, you are in this zone. If you are in 100 to 120, you are in this zone. 120 to 140, 140 to 150, more than 150 corrects. Now, after that, what I have shown is the natural course. If you continue to study in this way, what you can land to, the best possible outcome. So, if you are in more than 140 corrects, you can get 165 plus corrects and a top 2K rank. In the second, that is 140 to 150 corrects, 155 corrects with the top 5K rank. 120 to 140, you can get a marks between 140 to 150 and a 10 to 21K. And 100 to 120, you can get between 40 to 55,000. Really disappointing, right? So your target should not be the natural course. तुमको एक step ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा. Like if you are in 100 corrects, you have to target for a top 10,000 to 15,000 rank maybe. You are in 120 to 140 corrects, this range. You have to target for top 5K rank. If you are near about 150 corrects, you have to target top 2K rank. So let's discuss according to your GT corrects, what is your main problem and what is the solution to that. If you are in less than 100 corrects, then sorry to say, you are not serious. You are not serious, you are not disciplined, you are not studying properly. That is the reason why you are not getting that much of corrects. So you have not mastered the source. Either your source is not concise, you are going on FOMO, you are doing multiple resources, you are reading the main notes, but actually main notes is not for you, or you haven't read it seriously. If you are going out for FOMO, then I will tell you to stick to one of the revision sources, a very concise revision source, that is either BTR, either MedSynapse, or revision notes PYTs, because now also revision notes is a bit extensive for you. Now my main target is to increase your number of corrects from less than 100 to 120 corrects. So for that, any three of these sources and 5 years of previous year questions of NEET PG, 3 years of INICT and 3 years of FMG. Not just doing, all the PYTs should be in your fingertips. Till now, if you ask me any previous year question after waking me up from my sleep, then also I can answer 80% of them correctly. So ऐसा confidence होना चाहिए, ऐसा दिमाग में बैठाना चाहिए. And as I said that rapid revision के previous year topics, now at first you have to focus if you are doing rapid revision. So previous year topics, I have a list, and this list has been bought by more than 1,500 people. So it has passed 10 years of NEET PG. The link is given in the description box below, but I am not telling you to buy. If you want to have a free access, then up to 2023 you will get free in my Telegram channel also. The link is also given in the description box below. You can follow and join in that link, or in my Instagram account also you will get link to the Telegram channel. So you can use the free link also and add the 2024 previous year topics and highlight them, or else you can have this list. Coming to the next group where the most clustering occurs, that is the 100 to 120 corrects. Your main problem is your source is okay, you are a bit disciplined also, but you haven't mastered the source. Now I will tell you to focus more on the revision notes so that you can increase your number of corrects to 140. अगर खाली बीटीआर पढ़ रहे हो तो शायद 120 में स्टक हो जाओ, तो अभी तुम्हारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है कि रैपिड रिवीजन को भी मास्टर करो ताकि तुम नेक्स्ट लेवल में जा सको, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट लेवल में जाने के लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा तो करना पड़ेगा. And another thing that you need to do to master your source is do active recall. Like, there are two ways. Either you close your book and try to remember that page, like I'm trying to remember Pityriasis versicolor. So it has hyperpigmented and hypopigmented macules. Why it is hyperpigmented? Because the melanosomes increase in size. And why in most of the cases there is hypopigmentation? Because pityriasis versicolor inhibits the synthesis of melanin. It inhibits the tyrosinase enzyme. So there is hypopigmented. In microscopy, if I do, I see spaghetti in meatball appearances. The differential diagnosis could be seborrheic dermatitis, it could be indeterminate leprosy, or it could be post Kala-Azar dermal leishmaniasis. Like this, you have to do active recall. Another process, good process of active recall is by solving MCQs. When you solve MCQ, you will have to extract that knowledge and integrate it. So you have to do daily 50 MCQs and try to have a target time of 40 minutes. And here you will give hashtag of recent need, aims, image based, clinical. Now, if you give the hashtag of recent NEET also, there are many previous year questions in the QBank of your apps which are not included in the PYQ modules. Like, सोचो कि तुम्हारा एक 2012 का नीट पीजी का क्वेश्चन है, वो तो तुम्हारे मॉड्यूल में नहीं है, बट इन द रिसेंट नीट हैशटैग you will get in the custom module. So like this, these are the most important hashtags you should use. And for you, a bit more. So previous year question of 7 years of NEET PG, 5 years of INICT, and 3 years of FMG. Another rank where most of the clustering occurs and people can't get the top stream, that is 120 to 140 corrects. What you are lacking is application of knowledge. You have the knowledge, but you are not able to apply it while solving MCQs. So what you have to do is active recall and also integrate all the systems. Like, I give you an example, syphilis. I remember of syphilis. So the treatment of syphilis is 2.4 million international unit of benzathine penicillin. Now the side effect it can cause is it can destroy the bacteria and it can cause a reaction that is called Zaris Hexamer reaction. In case of TB, what it is called? It is called Irish. For that, ATT is given before the heart. And benzathine penicillin is also given in rheumatic heart disease. What is the diagnostic criteria of rheumatic heart disease? It is the Jones criteria. From rheumatic heart disease, you go to infective carditis. What is the diagnostic criteria of infected carditis? It is the Duke's criteria. Like this, you have to integrate. Okay, anytime you are going in bus or you are chilling a bit in the park, you have to integrate your knowledge, because in the MCQs a sole subject question won't be asked, it will be an integrated question. And another way to apply is by solving MCQs. So you have to do same as above. Give this all hashtags. You can have a screenshot of this, that these all hashtags you have to do, and you need to do 50 MCQs daily. For you, the previous year questions is a bit more. 7 years of NEET PG, 7 years of INICT, and 3 years of FMG. And this previous year of questions is same for the next two groups also. Coming to 140 to 150, I was personally stuck in this range for approximately 9 months. In the last month, I crossed this ceiling of 150, then I went to 160, then I went to 170, and in my final exam I got 178 corrects. So the main thing according to me that you lack is you need to increase your knowledge because you want to have a finish in the top 2000 rank. So what you have to do, you have to do as same as the previous group. You have to integrate, you have to do all the previous year questions, you need to do MCQs also. But what extra you should do is the previous year topics from your main notes. Either you solve the previous year questions and mark them in your main notes, or you can use my previous year topic list also for this. If you are a BTR user, then you have to do the exam and discussion, histopath, formulas, and all the extra videos that is present in BTR. You have to complete them all wholeheartedly, and you need to do all the PYT related pearls from your app. Actually, I am not a much believer of pearls because I didn't personally do a lot of pearls. I used to see them. But the problem of pearls I find is that the memorizing tips and tricks are not given. But if you are comfortable reading them like that, you can read those pearls. They are beneficial. If you are more than 150 corrects, then you are in a perfect position. Actually, you don't require my advice. You know what's better for you. But if you ask me, then for top 100 rank, those who want to do, they need to focus on the main notes because their brain has a lot of capacity, so they can take the information of that of main notes. Actually, I read main notes once. I only switch back to main notes जब भी मेरे को कुछ डाउट हुआ था, ऐसे में switch back नहीं करता था. So maybe I am a bit of accidental topper बोल सकते हो. And the other group is 100 to 2000 rank. You need to focus on the rapid revision, and you need to annotate the extra points in your rapid revision like I annotated. See, this is the example. I marked which year it came, AIMS 20, NEET 20, and all the extra points I am getting from the explanation of the previous year questions. I am marking them in my revision notes. And the other thing that you need to do is, you have done many lot times of revision, maybe 5 times, 6 times, so you will feel a lot of boring stuff कि फिर से पढ़ना है, मेरे को तो सब आता ही है. So to spice up, you have to do daily 100 MCQs, not 50, this time 100. 50 MCQs you will give no tags so that you can challenge yourself, and 50 MCQs the same tags: recent NEET, AIMS, image based, and clinical. And study the explanations carefully. What extra you can do is do all the pearls. And the one point that all of the group people, whether you are in less than 100 or whether you are more than 150 corrects, you all must watch my MCQ solving video. And another positive point I want to convey you that अगर तुम्हारा सोचो 150 करेक्ट्स आ रहा है, तो इसी पोजीशन में अगर तुम एग्जाम दोगे ना, ठीक से एग्जाम दोगे, तो इट विल बी मोर 10 करेक्ट्स. क्योंकि जीटीज में यूजुअली हम लोगों का कम करेक्ट आता है, मेन एग्जाम में ज्यादा आता है. सो डोंट स्ट्रेस टू मच ऑन द जीटी करेक्ट्स. what group you are following, see that and act according to that what I am telling. Okay, ऐसे करके एक्ट करोगे तो रिजल्ट्स मिलेगा. जस्ट हैव बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ and do the shit hard work. Now you can see a video on how to skillfully solve MCQs. So if you have time, watch it, and all the best for your exam.